Introduction. Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your go-to source for everything bike-related. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Yamaha YZ350, a highly anticipated motocross machine that bridges the gap between the YZ250 and YZ450. Yamaha has taken a bold step by introducing this new model, delivering a perfect balance of power, agility, and innovation. Let's explore what makes the YZ350 a game-changer in the motocross world. Introduction to the 2025 Yamaha YZ350. Yamaha has long been a dominant force in the motocross scene, producing legendary bikes that cater to riders of all skill levels. The YZ series has a rich history of delivering race-ready performance straight from the factory, and the introduction of the YZ350 fills a crucial gap between the lighter YZ250 and the powerhouse YZ450. The YZ350 is designed for riders who want more power than a 250 cubic centimeters but without the intimidating strength of a 450 cubic centimeters. This new model is expected to offer a perfect blend of power, handling, and technology, making it an exciting option for both amateur and professional riders. Engine and performance: the heart of the YZ350. At the core of the 2025 Yamaha YZ350 is an all-new 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, four-stroke engine. This power plant delivers a smooth yet aggressive power curve, offering strong mid-range torque with excellent top-end performance. Yamaha has worked extensively to refine the fuel injection and ECU tuning, ensuring precise throttle response and better fuel efficiency. Key highlights of the YZ350's engine include 349 cubic centimeters displacement, providing a balanced power-to-weight ratio. Revised fuel injection system optimized for better fuel delivery and response. Lightweight cylinder head enhances combustion efficiency for improved power output. Advanced cooling system keeps engine temperatures in check, even during intense riding conditions. Compared to the YZ250, the YZ350 offers a noticeable boost in torque and top-end power, making it a great choice for riders looking to step up their performance. However, it remains more manageable than the YZ450, making it ideal for riders who want speed without excessive fatigue. Chassis and suspension built for precision handling. A motocross bike isn't just about power, handling is equally crucial. The 2025 YZ350 features an aluminum twin-spar frame, which is both lightweight and incredibly strong. Yamaha has fine-tuned the chassis geometry to improve stability and cornering precision, giving riders better control on different track conditions. The suspension setup is also impressive. KYB speed-sensitive system, SSS, forks offering excellent bump absorption and front-end feel. KYB rear shock with linkage system ensuring smooth handling over rough terrain. Adjustable compression and rebound damping allowing riders to fine-tune their setup for different tracks. These features make the YZ350 a versatile and highly responsive bike, capable of handling aggressive riding styles while maintaining comfort and stability. Ergonomics and rider comfort designed for maximum control. Yamaha has put significant effort into rider ergonomics, ensuring that the YZ350 feels natural and comfortable for a wide range of riders. The bike comes with slimmer bodywork and shrouds allowing better knee grip and overall maneuverability. Flatter seat profile making it easier to shift body weight for better control. Adjustable handlebar positions catering to different rider preferences. Optimized foot peg placement enhancing comfort during long rides. These features help riders feel more connected to the bike, making it easier to navigate sharp turns, jumps, and rough terrain with confidence. Braking system and wheels precision stopping power. Braking performance is critical for motocross bikes, and Yamaha has equipped the YZ350 with a high-performance braking system that ensures sharp stopping power without compromising stability. 270mm front-wave rotor providing strong and consistent braking force. 240mm rear-wave rotor ensuring precise rear-wheel control. Nissan calipers delivering improved braking efficiency. Additionally, the YZ350 rides on lightweight did rims wrapped in Dunlop MX-33 tires, offering exceptional grip and durability for different track conditions. Technology and electronics advanced features for a competitive edge. Yamaha has integrated modern technology into the YZ350, ensuring that riders get the best performance possible. Some of the key electronic features include selectable power modes. Riders can switch between different engine maps to suit various track conditions. Launch control system assisting with explosive starts off the line. Wi-Fi connectivity with Yamaha Power Tuner app allowing riders to adjust fuel and ignition settings via smartphone. Traction control system helping maintain grip on slippery surfaces. These features provide riders with greater customization and adaptability, giving them an edge in competitive racing. Weight and dimensions balancing power and agility. The YZ350 has been designed to be as lightweight as possible while maintaining structural strength. The bike weighs approximately 235 pounds wet weight, making it light enough for nimble handling but sturdy enough to handle tough conditions. Its overall dimensions ensure a balanced ride, making it a great choice for riders of all skill levels. Seat height around 38 inches, providing a commanding position. Ground clearance approximately 13 inches, ensuring it can tackle obstacles with ease. Wheelbase optimized for stability and agility. Comparison with YZ250 and YZ450. Where does the YZ350 fit? The YZ350 is a strategic addition to Yamaha's lineup, sitting perfectly between the YZ250 and YZ450. Here's how it compares. YZ250. Lightweight and agile, but lacks the torque needed for more demanding tracks. YZ350, more power than the 250, but easier to control than the 450. YZ450, brutal power, but requires more physical effort to ride aggressively. For riders transitioning from a 250 cubic centimeters but not ready for the full 450 cubic centimeters experience, the YZ350 is an ideal choice. It offers the best of both worlds, more power without the added fatigue. Final thoughts: is the 2025 Yamaha YZ350 worth it? The 2025 Yamaha YZ350 is an exciting addition to the motocross world, offering a perfect balance of power, control, and modern technology. Yamaha has crafted this bike to appeal to riders who want more torque and speed than a 250 cubic centimeters but without the aggressive demands of a 450 cubic centimeters. With its powerful yet manageable engine, lightweight chassis, advanced suspension, and smart electronics, the YZ350 is set to become a favorite among racers and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're looking to compete at a high level or simply enjoy weekend track days, this bike is sure to deliver an exhilarating experience. What do you think? That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Yamaha YZ350. What are your thoughts on this new motocross machine? Would you choose it over the YZ250 or YZ450?